there is no definitive test that diagnoses breast implant illness. It's rather a combination of symptoms along with the presence of implants which can indicate this debilitating condition. Breast implants can affect the entire body, and symptoms are not localized to the immediate area of the breast. They can cause serious neurological, metabolic, immune and endocrine system issues. Here's a list of some of the symptoms you might be experiencing. Brain fog, breast pain, liver and kidney dysfunction, severe migraines and headaches, cognitive dysfunction, night sweats and fevers, fatigue, recurrent respiratory infections, heart palpitations, shortness of breath, chest pain or discomfort, dehydration and frequent urination, hematomas on or near the surgical scar, tinnitus, bruising, dry mouth, persistent infections, loss of sensation in the nipple, cold hands and feet, joint and muscle pain, muscle twitching, limb numbness or tingling sensations, hormone imbalances, sudden weight loss or weight gain, insomnia, swollen glands, vision loss, acid reflux, gastro symptoms, hair loss, eczema, low libido, panic attacks, depression, premature aging of skin, oral and vaginal thrush, anxiety, edema.
I've had implants for over 30 years and they were causing lots of different symptoms. Some of these symptoms were quite mild and some were a little bit more hard to explain, but yeah, started with a lot of brain fog, skin conditions, hair loss. The capsulations were becoming quite hard and I was getting quite weird sensations and a lot of mysterious muscle aches and pains.
I had discovered in March of this year, 2019, that after I spiraled into multi-symptom chronic illness, fatigue, I thought I had fibromyalgia, multiple sclerosis, I thought I had so many different things. And I was so sick until the day I discovered that there was something called breast implant illness. And as soon as I heard about that and I saw the symptoms and knew that that was what was going on for me.
Women are often misdiagnosed as breast implant illness is not fully recognized in the medical world. Breast implants can lead to autoimmune conditions such as Hashimoto's.
Some of those symptoms, I didn't go into that in depth, but I developed Hashimoto's as well after of having some strange hormonal imbalances, and there is talk, research is confirming more and more that the silicone I should say, is actually full of carcinogenic chemicals. It's very different from the pure silicone found in the natural world. This has led to a lot of studies that are out there at the moment, so I was very fearful that my Hashimoto's was a result of the rupturing that was occurring in my body, and I needed to get them out straight away.
Many who have breast implant illness may also receive a diagnosis of biotoxin or mold illness, lupus, toxic shock syndrome, fibromyalgia, CIRS, Lyme and associated diseases, multiple sclerosis, ulcerative colitis, Crohn's disease, chronic fatigue syndrome, hypothyroidism, hyperthyroidism, pancreatitis, autoimmune disorders, parasite infections, viral infections, rheumatoid arthritis, Graves' disease, Hashimoto's thyroiditis, scleroderma, cancer. Many women with breast implants who begin experiencing symptoms and start visiting a specialist about these symptoms, they cannot get a proper diagnosis. However, symptoms that they're experiencing are very real and physiological, so it's very frustrating for them to be told that their symptoms are in their head or psychosomatic.
I've been searching for about 10 years an answer as to why I was feeling unwell all the time. I just put it down to having 3 children, having 3 cesareans, living in another country, being away from my family and friends. I just thought, you know, that day-to-day life was just, I found everything really hard to do, and I couldn't get any answers. I've been living in Bahrain for 12 years and visiting many doctors who could never give me any answers. Thyroid doctor, back doctors, cardiologists, you name it. I went to a different doctor for a different symptom, and they always sent me away feeling bad about myself, as though there was something wrong in my head.
Breast implant illness is very real. If you're suffering from any of the symptoms or conditions presented in this video and also have breast implants, please visit your GP and discuss this with them, or contact us here at Neomed to find out how we can help you to recover from this illness.